Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to unlock all Fiverr features? Here's how to verify your Fiverr account step by step. Verification helps Fiverr confirm your identity and builds trust with clients. It's required to keep selling or access high-level gigs. First of all, go to your profile section, click settings from the right side. Then from the left side, click personal and business information section, then identity verification, then click verify. Then choose one option from here, like then select your country name, enter your phone number, then click verify by SMS, then enter verification code. After that, upload a clear photo of a valid government issued ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure the name matches your Fiverr account. Next, take a real selfie to confirm it's really you. Make sure you are in a well-lit area and your face is clearly visible. Fiverr usually reviews your submission within 24 hours to 48 hours. Thanks for watching, and that's it.